where we reveal fascinating scientific secrets related to the miracles of the Qur'an. Today, we will dive into the world of ants, these small creatures with big secrets. Did you know that over 1,400 years ago, the Qur'an mentioned that ant bodies can shatter? But how can such a tiny creature have a body strong enough to shatter as described in the Qur'an? Let's explore this mystery together. We begin today with a verse from the Qur'an in Surah and Naml, where Allah says in its meaning, "Until when they came upon the valley of the ants, and ants said, O ants, enter your dwellings that you not be crushed by Solomon and his soldiers while they perceive not." And Naml 18. This verse is incredibly intriguing as it speaks about the shattering of ant bodies. But how can an ant's body shatter? Is it truly made of a material that can break? Let's find out. The exterior of an ant's body is covered with a substance called chitin, a long-chain polymer that forms the exoskeleton. This material is strong and flexible, but it can shatter under extreme pressure. Scientists have found that chitin gives ants strong protection, but it can still shatter under great force, just as the Qur'an described. But how could a book revealed over 1,400 years ago describe this scientific process with such accuracy? Could this description be a mere coincidence? Or is it evidence that the Qur'an holds knowledge far ahead of its time? The Qur'an's use of the word crushed draws attention to an important scientific fact about the composition and physical properties of ants. Despite their tiny size, their bodies are made of a hard material that can indeed shatter. This precision in description confirms that the Qur'an is not just a religious text, but also a source of scientific truths that predate modern discoveries. Ants are not just tiny creatures. They are a vital part of the ecosystem. Their role in aerating the soil and breaking down organic material is invaluable. Moreover, ants work with organization and cooperation that is beyond imagination, reflecting God's power in creating this amazing creature. The miracle of ants in the Qur'an is not just a scientific reference, but another proof that the Qur'an is a book filled with knowledge that was not known at the time of its revelation. The discoveries of modern science only serve to confirm these truths. If you enjoyed this video and want to learn more about the miracles of the Qur'an, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and activate the notification bell. Share this video with your friends and let them discover the greatness of the Qur'an for themselves.